11.1.3 lesson. The directions for question 38 say review what you learned in 11.1.3 by adding and subtracting the expressions below. Simplify the final expression as much as possible. Problem A is super, super easy. Or I should say it should be super, super easy for you. We have two rational expressions that are just numeric. No variables, no algebra, nothing fancy in them. So we're looking for common denominators. So right now we have a denominator of 8 and a denominator of 6. That means the common denominator is going to be 24. So I need to multiply the first expression by 3 over 3 and multiply the second expression by 4 over 4. That gives us our common denominator of 24 and 24. So we add straight across the 15 plus the 4. So our answer is 19 over that common denominator of 24. The directions do say simplify your final expression as much as possible. So just look and see, can I reduce here? Is there anything that I can cancel? Do I need to factor at some point and cancel? So B, you're going to do in teams of 4. C, you're going to do in teams of 4 because the denominators are already the same. And D, if I can focus, I think it's just a bad copy. But it does say x squared minus 3 over x plus 5 times the quantity 2x minus 1 plus the expression x over 2x minus 1. So with this one, I notice we already have a 2x minus 1 and a 2x minus 1, so that's good to go. This one has an x plus 5, and this one does not have the x plus 5. So I'm going to multiply that second expression by the x plus 5 over the x plus 5, which makes the common denominator x plus 5 times 2x minus 1. Okay? The first expression is good to go, so we just rewrite the numerator x squared minus 3. For the second expression, I'm going to distribute that x. So x times x gets the x squared. X times the 5 gets the 5x. And then I just simplify it and write it in standard form. Okay, so there's 1x squared here and 1x squared here. That gets me 2x squareds. Move the 5x into the correct position, and then minus 3. Then I look to see if I can factor it. When you're factoring, look to see if one of the already factors of the factored denominator is possibly a factor of it. Especially the one that starts with 2, because that would be really nice to cancel. Yes? Right there? Plus, yes, that should be a plus and a plus. Good catch. All right. Okay, so it does factor to the x plus 3 times the 2x minus 1 over the x plus 5 times the 2x minus 1. So those are our factors that cancel, leaving us with the x plus 3 over the x plus 5. Okay. Anybody still writing? So they have a common denominator. Be ready to share your ideas. Part B, they want you to add the fractions, simplify, meaning reduce if there's any factors that are the same. And then part C, they just want you to do a similar problem, but with subtraction, and then that's it.